Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
A static brush tip repeats the exact same shape at every point along your stroke. Mechanical, predictable, lifeless. Brush Settings transforms it into something organic. Open the panel from Window, Brush Settings. Enable Shape Dynamics. Set size jitter to 40%, and the brush tip randomly scales up and down along each stroke, mimicking real media variants. Enable Scattering. The brush tip scatters perpendicular to your stroke direction, distributing multiple tips organically. Enable Color Dynamics. Foreground-background jitter shifts between your two colors per tip, creating natural color variation. Set all controls to pen pressure and connect a graphics tablet. Your strokes will respond to hand pressure exactly like traditional ink, charcoal, or watercolor.